Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech man MKBHD here. And today we're diving deep into the world of the Apple MacBook Air M1. This isn't just another laptop, this is a revolution in thin and light computing. Apple completely changed the game with this one, and trust me, it's a big deal. Before the M1, MacBooks were known for being sleek and stylish, but they often lacked the raw power of their Windows counterparts. This all changed when Apple dropped the M1 chip. This little guy is a beast, offering performance that rivals and in many cases, surpasses even high-end laptops. But it's not just about power. The M1 MacBook Air is also incredibly efficient, giving you insane battery life that lets you leave your charger at home. Seriously, this thing just sips power. And did I mention it's completely silent? No fan noise, just pure, uninterrupted productivity. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who needs a reliable and powerful machine, the MacBook Air M1 deserves your attention. Stick around as we break down everything that makes this laptop so special. Section 2. Design and build elegance you can feel. Let's talk design. The MacBook Air has always been known for its sleek and portable design, and the M1 version is no exception. It's incredibly thin and light, easily slipping into your backpack or messenger bag. But don't let its slim profile fool you. This thing is built like a tank. The all-aluminum unibody construction feels incredibly premium and durable. You can tell Apple sweats the small stuff with precise edges and a level of craftsmanship that's hard to find elsewhere. It's available in several colors, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. The keyboard is a joy to type on, with just the right amount of key travel and a satisfying click. And the trackpad? It's huge and responsive, making navigation a breeze. Apple's trackpads have always been the gold standard, and the one on the MacBook Air M1 is no exception. Overall, the design and build quality of the MacBook Air M1 are top-notch. It's a premium machine that feels as good as it looks. Section 3. Under the hood, the M1 chip. Now let's talk about the heart of the beast, the Apple M1 chip. This isn't your typical laptop processor, it's a custom-designed chip by Apple that brings desktop-class performance to a laptop. It's like squeezing a supercar engine into a compact car. The M1 is a system-on-a-chip (SoC) design, which means it combines the CPU, GPU, RAM, and other components all onto a single chip. This allows for incredible efficiency and performance. It's like having a team of athletes all working in perfect sync. The M1 chip has an 8-core CPU that can handle everything from basic tasks like browsing the web to demanding workloads like video editing. And the 7-core or 8-core GPU delivers smooth graphics performance for gaming and creative applications. But the real magic of the M1 chip is its neural engine. This dedicated AI processor enables machine learning tasks and accelerates specific features like image processing and voice recognition. It's like having a personal assistant that helps your laptop run faster and smarter. Section 4. Performance and battery power through your day. Okay, let's talk performance. The MacBook Air M1 is surprisingly powerful for such a thin and light machine. It can handle everyday tasks like web browsing, email, and document editing without breaking a sweat. But it can also handle more demanding workloads like photo editing, video editing, and even some light gaming. I've edited 4K video on this thing and it's smooth sailing. No lag, no stuttering, just pure performance. And the battery life? Get ready to have your mind blown. This thing can last for up to 18 hours on a single charge. That's right, 18 hours. You can literally leave your charger at home and use this laptop all day long without worrying about running out of juice. It's insane. And because the M1 chip is so efficient, the MacBook Air stays cool and quiet even under heavy workloads. No more fan noise. The performance and battery life of the MacBook Air M1 are truly impressive. It's a testament to Apple's engineering prowess and a game changer for laptop users. Section 5. Productivity powerhouse, getting things done. Now, let's talk about why the MacBook Air M1 is such a productivity powerhouse. First off, the macOS operating system is incredibly intuitive and easy to use. It's designed to help you get things done quickly and efficiently. And with the M1 chip, everything just flies. Apps launch instantly, files transfer in seconds, and multitasking is a breeze. Plus, you get access to Apple's suite of productivity apps like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote, which are all excellent alternatives to Microsoft Office. But the real game changer for productivity is the seamless integration between Apple devices. With features like universal clipboard and handoff, you can seamlessly switch between your MacBook Air, iPhone, and iPad without missing a beat. You can copy text on your phone and paste it on your laptop, or start an email on your iPad and finish it on your MacBook. It's magical. The MacBook Air M1 is designed to streamline your workflow and help you get more done in less time. It's the ultimate productivity machine for students, professionals, and anyone who values efficiency. Section 6, MacBook Air versus the world. So, how does the MacBook Air M1 stack up against the competition? Well, it's in a league of its own. There are other great laptops out there, but none can match the combination of performance, battery life, design, and ecosystem integration that the MacBook Air M1 offers. Windows laptops, even those with powerful processors, struggle to match the M1's efficiency and battery life. And while Chromebooks are great for basic tasks, they can't compete with the MacBook Air's raw power and versatility. The MacBook Air M1 is a premium device, and it comes with a premium price tag. But when you consider everything it offers, it's actually a great value. It's an investment that will last you for years to come. Overall, the MacBook Air M1 is in a class of its own. It's the ultimate laptop for anyone who wants the best of the best.